Hello guys, I'm doing a Modern Warfare 3 Unlock All Service with modded stats, including 15 modded classes. I'm going to show you everything that I can do by real-time edit. The service will cost £5 PayPal. Please give me a message in the comments if you'd like it. Please like and subscribe, and I'm going to show you everything I can do. As you can see, do prestige disco 1 to 8, but there's not really much point because, do a prestige service from level prestige 1 to 21. Prestige disco, there you go. Any prestige you choose. Yep. Right there. Please sub. As you can see, modded classes. Do to 15. All for £5. You get all unlock all. You can see every turtle number. Telling you, it's so lovely. Every bloody lovely turtle you can bloody earn, including elite founder status. And you can see my bloody clan tag. And yeah, you can do your stats as well. You can see my 200 days, as if I do play for that long. As you can see how many tokens I have. You can edit that as well. So yeah, the service costs £5 PayPal. You don't matter where you're from, you can convert it. Just send it as £5 British pounds, and that should do the job. Add me on Skype. I'll put in the description what my Skype is. So yeah, do any prestige out you want. I can even do 21s, but there's a high risk of a ban chance, so I would only stay from 1 to 20. And yeah, I can do modern stats and everything and classes. Okay, peace.